Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7D Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're going to pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like so, and here we're looking for hotspot toggle. Now for me it is grayed out right now, but that's because airplane mode is enabled, so I'm going to quickly turn that off, and you can see that it does become accessible now. So once you see your toggle for hotspot, you want to hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And in here I do recommend changing the password, as it is randomly generated, which you can see, and it is pretty garbage. So I'm gonna get rid of mine and then set up my own new password, which you can see will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And it can be letters, numbers, both, doesn't really matter. Gonna click on OK. Now, when you choose a simple password like I did, it does give you a message that this is simple, but we can select to use anyway and ignore that message. It's just hotspot, so it won't really matter that much. And once password is changed, you can close this, unless you want to change some other settings, but I do recommend keeping them as they are set by default, as this will ensure that your hotspot works with the widest array of devices. So from there, we're just going to now tap on the toggle. This will enable our hotspot and you can connect to it. Once you're done with it, you can also tap on the toggle once again to turn it off. Now, I do recommend trying to remember about it, as the hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, and when you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.